Again, day 2, number 2, lesson number 2. How are you guys? Well, we are on our unit 5, week 5, you guys. We've done so well. I miss you guys. I hope you're doing well. This week we're talking about how do things get built? How do things get built? So talk about it with someone from your family. How do things get built? How did your home get built? How did the school get built? How about roads, parks, swing sets? How do they get built? Let's go over our vocabulary words. We have project, something you work on, such as writing a report or a drawing or a picture. When we finish our art projects, we can display them so everyone can see them. Project. The next word is structure, something that has been built as a house, or such as a house or a bridge. There's our BGE, bridge. Jasper likes to build different kinds of structures with his blocks. The next vocabulary word is contented. You are pleased or happy. Josh felt contented after he won the prize. Intend. You are planning to do something. I intend to play basketball after school today. Intend. Marvelous. It is wonderful or excellent. The fruit salad tastes marvelous. Okay, sorry, did you hear Mr. Hall come over the intercom? So it said, I don't remember if I said this word or not. Marvelous. It is wonderful or excellent. The fruit salad tastes marvelous. Okay, those are our vocabulary words for the day. So now we'll use them in some sentences. Do you feel contented after eating a delicious meal? I do. I feel full. What do you intend to do next Saturday? What do you intend to do? I would like to go for a hike. What do you intend to do? Have you seen any marvelous movies? What made them marvelous? Oh, gosh. I'm trying to remember the last movie. Oh, we watched Indiana Jones and the Temple of Doom the other night. And it had a lot of action, and I really enjoyed it. It's been a long time since I've seen that one. What movies have you watched, and what made them marvelous? What projects have you worked on at home? We've had a lot of time at home lately. What projects have you worked on while we've been out of school? I mentioned in our slides yesterday, or the other day, that I've been working on diamond painting. Been doing that. Also, a lot of work in the yard, putting in a fire pit. Which of these is a structure, a house, or a flower? Which one is something someone built? Obviously a house. Okay, let's go through our now phonics lesson. We are working this week with O-I and O-Y. They both digraphs make the sound oi. So oi as in boy. Sorry. O-I, oi as in coin. There's a Canadian coin. Now we'll blend the words, please. We have join. Join. Gosh, I'm just in the way. Ois. Voice. There we go. Ois. Voice. B-oi. Boy. B-oil. Boil. Oil. Foil. Oink. Oink. J-oy. Joy. T-oy. Toy. Oil. Oil. Oi. Soy. Sp-oil. Foil. Bur-oil. Broil. Oist. Moist. En-j-oy. Enjoy. Oil. Oil. Ow. Here's a new word. Ow. B-oy. Cowboy. Compound word too. Cow. Boy. Cowboy. Now we'll build the words. Oi. I'm always in the way. Oil. Foil. Please change to What word do we have now? Soil. Now change to oil. Spoil. Now take away the sp. What are you left with? Oil. Now add the b in the beginning. Oil. Boil. Okay, new word. Boy. Please change b to t. What word do you have? Toy. Now change the t to What word do you have? Oi. Roy. Now change to j. What word did you make? Joy. Please change, we have oi. Joy. Now at the beginning we're going to add en. So now we have n, joy, enjoy. Okay, now we're going to go for some structural analysis. Find stable syllables. So we have table, simple. When we see ol at the end of a word, there is a consonant before the letters and they make the sound ol. The consonant plus ol are in the same final syllable. This is called final stable syllable. That's a whole mouthful. Okay, blend the syllables to read the word, then use the word in a sentence. So we have k and o, candle. So we would go candle, candle. She lit a candle. Okay, the next word. Apple, apple. I would like a red apple. Can you use it in a word? In a sentence? Can you use a word in a sentence? Okay. Title. What is the title of your favorite book? Okay, now we have puddle. That was completely wrong. Puddle. I was tapping it with my clapping puddle. She stepped in a puddle during the rain shower. The next word we have is marble. Marble. He had a big purple marble. I used to love to play marbles when I was a kid. Have you ever played marbles before? Okay, let's go through our spelling words for the week. So, gosh, I'm just always annoying. So our first word is spoil. You can see it looks like a worm went through that apple. That apple is spoiled. The next word is coin. This is a new coin, and you can see that Canadian coin there. Join. Tim wants to join the baseball team. Joy. Pretending to be a cowboy brought so much joy. Look at that little boy with his stick horse. Toy. The baby had a toy clown. Ooh, do you like clowns, or are they scary to you? Boy. The boy learned to tie his shoe. Boy. Here's our new word. Town. There are many buildings in the town. Mouse. The mouse came in our house, and I'm hiding the mouse. There we go. Build. Dad is building us a new house. There we go. Gosh. Fall. The fall made Pete cry. Okay, here's a sort, and it doesn't always let me sort it while we're recording, so let's see if it's going to happen today, and it's not. So we have the O-I, OE, or O-Y, OE. That is going to be the tricky part of the spelling test this week, to know which word has the O-I and which word has the O-Y. So I really encourage you to do a lot of practice. So we have Foil, and you can tell that has the O-I. Boy, O-Y. Coin, O-I. Joy, O-Y. Toy, O-Y. And join, O-I. Okay, let's work with our high frequency words. Maybe I won't be in the way if I'm up there. We have above, 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 above. Build, 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 build. Fall, 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 fall. New, 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 new. Money, 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 money. Toward, 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 toward. Color, 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 color. Early, 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 early. Instead, 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 instead. Nothing, 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 nothing. Oh, 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 oh. Thought, 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 thought. Okay, vocabulary words. Balance. It can stay in place without falling. I can balance a coin on my fingertip. I don't think I could do that. Okay, the next word is section. A small part of something bigger. The book bag has a section for pencils, for pens, and pencils. Okay, here's our words from last week. Just a little review of our vocabulary from last week. Scrambled, climbed or walked quickly. The people scrambled to get in line. Suddenly, it happens quickly without notice. The sky suddenly got dark. Okay, let's complete each sentence with a vocabulary word. So here's our vocabulary words in red to choose from. Can you blank if you stand on one leg? Would it be suddenly, balance, scrambled, or section? We would choose balance here. It won't let me move it. Usually it does. The sun was shining, but blank, it started to rain. We've already chosen balance, so would it be suddenly, scrambled, or section? We would say suddenly it started to rain. When the rain started, we blanked to get inside. Would you say scrambled or section? So remember, you could scramble an egg. That's to mix it up. But this way means to hurry or climb quickly. So scrambled, we scrambled to get inside. And then the last one, we planted flowers in one blank of the yard. Our last choice was section. So that makes sense. Apart. Okay, let's talk for just a quick second about prepositions and prepositional phrases. Prepositions are words that connect a noun or a pronoun to the rest of the sentence. So a noun, a person, place, animal, thing, or idea. A pronoun could be a he, she, they. And then prepositional phrases also will work on which a prepositional phrase begins with a preposition and ends with a noun or a pronoun. So, the light is above the porch. The preposition above connects the words the light is and the porch. So, the light is, and then the preposition is above the porch. Okay, complete. Oh, we're going to run out of time. So let's see, now we have snow is blank the ground. What do we choose for our preposition? We choose for, in, on, or toward. Obviously we would say snow is on the ground. Let's try one more. I put your mittens blank your coat pocket. What preposition would you choose? Would you choose it for, in, on, or toward? He would say in. He would say in. I put your mittens in your coat pocket. Bye guys. Have a great day.